Hello everyone, today let us see how to fill out a renunciation application. So log on to the VFS Global site, apply for renunciation, start now. Here we can see step-by-step guide. The first is to identify renunciation service type. Click on the link. Here we can see overview. Persons of Indian origin is not allowed dual citizenship. So if a person ever held an Indian passport and has obtained passport of another country, they are required to surrender their Indian passport. So to apply for consular services like visa or OCI, it is mandatory to provide the proof of cancelled Indian passport. That's the renunciation fee. Documents required, that's the checklist. And mandatory documents. Processing time, and click on apply now. Here we see the jurisdictions, that's the 6th center and East center, the list of state. So accordingly we need to apply. So either we can click on the government form link from there, or from the second step we can click on the government form link. So this is Passport Seva site. Click on Americas, USA, register. So enter the country and the center for submission. Enter all your details, email ID, and click on register. The activation link will be sent to your email ID. Click on it and you will be able to log in. Apply for surrender of Indian passport, and here we can see 7 steps: passport detail, applicant detail, family detail, address, emergency contact, and certificate. So passport details, as in your Indian passport. Surrender details, nationality acquired, acquisition date, and foreign passport number. Acquisition date is the naturalization date. Applicant details, next. Family details, father name, mother name, spouse name, and spouse nationality. Next. Present residential address is your residential address out of India. I have selected as, and I have given my present address. Emergency contact. Next. Certificate details. Certificate summary. If all the details are correct, click on I agree, place, and submit. Yes, all details are correct. Your application has been submitted successfully, and your application reference number is. So click on home. We have to note down the reference number. So copy the reference number. Click on select. You will be able to print the application. So we need to paste a picture and sign below the picture. Sign at the end of the form. Take the print and sign on the first page and on the second page. So we have completed the second step. The third is to complete mail-in application process on VFS and pay the fee. For this, we have to create profile and register on the VFS portal. Click on Apply Now. Select Renunciation. Proceed. New user registration, we have to enter all the details, email ID and submit. The activation link will be sent to the email. Click on the activation link, will be able to log in. Click on create new application. Enter the details. Center for submission. Main category is renunciation of Indian citizenship. Application category is naturalized after 2010 and does not have a stamp, as I got recently. Select payment mode is online payment mode. Continue. Add customer. And the government reference number is the one we have filled out in the second step. We need to paste the number over here. And enter all the details: passport number, nationality, name, mobile number, email ID, state. Indian passport details, date of naturalization, and submit. Be sure to give the correct email ID, as all the updates will be sent to the email. Next is to select courier service. I have selected VFS offered courier service. Continue. We have to add the mailing address. Be sure to give the correct address, as the cancelled passport will be sent to the address given. Validate it and then submit the address. Next is to fill out the renunciation form. Complete all the details on the form. Submit it. Renunciation view form. Check if all the details are correct. Submit. Renunciation certificate. Check all the details are correct, then submit. Check mark it. Accept declaration of renunciation certificate. Submit. Here we see the mailing address is added. Accept terms and conditions and confirm application. It will take you to the payment gateway where you can do the payment. click on download courier label. Enter the government reference number, passport number, email ID. You'll be able to download the courier label. It's only the incoming courier label, that is the label you will be able to send the package to the center. Once the cancelled passport is ready, they will print out the other label over there and send it back to us. The fourth is to submit your application to VFS. So according to the checklist, make copies of all the documents and submit your application. Fifth is, once the application is reached, you'll receive the updates. Sixth is to track your application with the USA number. We'll be able to track the application once it is reached to the center. So if you see the documents required, two original renunciation certificates, then parental authorization form for minors need to be filled out, both parents sign and need to be notarized. Sworn affidavit by parents for minor need to be filled out, both parents sign and get it notarized. So this is checklist for the naturalization after 2010. Government application form, photo, two signed renunciation certificates, proof of address copy, US passport copy, most recent Indian passport original and copy, naturalization certificate copy, the notary documents, checklist copy, and the payment receipt copy. Naturalized after 2010 without passport. Most of the documents are same. Two declaration of renunciation forms are required. Proof of Indian origin, if you have the copy of the passport, you can enclose the copy, or birth certificate or any of the mentioned documents are required for the proof of Indian origin. Police report required. Affidavit of loss of Indian passport, it need to be filled out and need to be notarized. Sworn affidavit for loss of passport need to be filled out and notarized in case of the lost Indian passport. So hope this was helpful. Thank you.